It's time again for open enrollment when Americans choose their health insurance for the following year. And because it's such a big decision, we're hoping to make it a little less stressful. That's why we have experts with Genesee Health Plan standing by to provide you with the resources and answers you need. TV5's David Custer is in Flint Township with Genesee Health Plan to tell us about what they can offer. David.
Hi, Meg. We have partners with the Genesee Health Plan to answer any questions you may have about open enrollment. I'm going to give you that phone number, 810-732-0969. Also, look right there on your screen. There is a QR code. You can scan that at any time during this segment if you want to have any of your questions answered about open enrollment. Also, right now I'm joined by Jim Milanowski from the Genesee Health Plan. Now, it's called the Genesee Health Plan, but you serve a much greater area. Yes,
we've been helping Bay County residents and Saginaw County residents for the last 5 years with this open enrollment. So I would encourage those viewers to contact us as well. We could set up an appointment and meet them up there in Bay or Saginaw and help them.
What services does the Genesee Health Plan offer?
Well, we provide a health care coverage for the uninsured here in Genesee County, but what we really do as well is do an enrollment. So we can do enrollment into Medicare, Medicaid, and or Genesee Health Plan. And what's nice is that this is open enrollment. There's a lot of commercials. There's a lot of scams out there. It's good to go to a trusted voice, and our staff does a great job of going over all the options for people.
All right, Jim, thank you. And I actually want to go talk real quick with Allison Ramos from the Valley Area Agency on Aging. She's been answering the phone calls. Many of you have been calling for the last hour and a half. So tell me what kind of phone calls you've been receiving tonight.
Lots of phone calls about prescription drugs, what they need to change. Maybe perhaps their prescription drugs aren't covered as well as they used to be, which is important to review during Medicare open enrollment, because during Medicare open enrollment, that's the only time you can make that change. So calling someone and making an appointment with someone to go over your prescription drugs and whether or not your plan is working well for you is super important right now.
And it's important, too, to ask a lot of questions and do your research as well before.
Yes, definitely important, because there are prescriptions that are changing on plans all the time. They are actually able to change those once every quarter. So making sure that you ask those questions and know those things, that's very important.
All right, Allison, well, your phone kept ringing while I was talking to you, so I'm going to let you get back to that and help some folks out. But again, if you have any questions, call that phone number, 810-732-0969. Also, if you're close to the TV, scan that QR code and you get your questions answered. Meg, back to you.
Thank you, David. A recall on